In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the ChordPro tools and how you use them with your songs. So first, right now we're in the song list, and we want to get to the ChordPro tools. That's in the second tab here. So you just click on that tab, and now you see the ChordPro tools. They're in two groups. This first group requires you to make a selection in the song before you apply the tool. The second group doesn't require a selection at all. So let's say I wanted to mark this title, Against the Wind, as the title. I come up, select it, and then choose title over here. And as you can see, it's marked with the ChordPro marks. Same with the subtitle, or the author, which we'll call a subtitle, and it's now marked as the subtitle. Now those two, when you convert to ChordPro, those two marks, the title and the subtitle, would automatically be applied. I can show you that. First I'll delete these changes I just made. And now if I go up and say convert to ChordPro, you can see that they're already marked. So that part can be done automatically. Now let's, as another example, now we have a chorus down here in the song. We want to give it the ChordPro marks for the chorus. So first I would select it, and then I will come over to the tool and mark it as a chorus. You can see that now it has the start of chorus, that's the SOC at the front, and the end of chorus, EOC in the back. If you're going to use this in your tablet or your phone in an app that requires ChordPro, you don't need this chorus label here, so you can just delete that. The app will automatically put the label on there when it sees the SOC. The second group of tools has a number of features that make insertions into your program. So let's say you wanted to add a tab. Let's put it here at the top. Just mark my point there, and then I come to tab template. There's two kinds. The first one has no string labels. The second one has string labels in it. So we'll take the one that has the labels. So these are the labels, E, A, D, G, B, E, for the strings of the guitar. And then you can put your marks in here in the tab anywhere as required. Now what will happen is, I'm not going to do that right now, but I'll just, as you do that, some of these will become longer and some will become shorter. As you make your adjustments, as you add the marks for the tab. And when you're done, you might like them to be all evened up. So in order to do that, we use the reformat mark on the tabs, or the reformat tool. So I select the tab and choose reformat, and it'll make all the lines be the same length, and they'll all become the same length as the longest line. Now if you had several tabs in your song that all had different lengths, you could select them all at once, or even select the whole song, as I'll show you here, because it will choose, it knows what's a tab and what isn't. So I'll select the whole song, which could include multiple tabs, and when I do the reformat, it'll make all the tabs in the song same length. They'll be as long as the longest tab. So if you had them spaced throughout your song, they would all look alike when you got done.